Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video today I'm going to be showing you how I easily dried this fish using my oven. So stick around, let's do this together. I got 2 packs of mackerel fish. Each pack contains 3 pieces, and I also got 4 packs of fresh catfish. Each contain about 6 pieces. I got this from the Asian shop. Before now, I used to order my dried fish from Nigeria, but this time around I decided to try this method by getting the fish from the shop and using my oven to dry it. So I want to share this video with you, showing you how I succeeded in doing this. I think this is a lot more cheaper doing it this way than ordering it from Nigeria. What do you think, guys? You know, apart from the buying cost, you have to pay for the weigh bill, which is about 16 euro per kilo. So if you are carrying about 10 kilos, you can imagine how much you are paying. And sometimes before it gets to your destination, the whole fish has scattered on the way, so you are just left with scattered fish. So to me, I think this is the best method. I'm just gonna stick to it from now on. Maybe what I will order from Nigeria will just be like the stock fish. That's what we call okporoko and crayfish. Yeah, but for this one I will be doing it this way, like so, here in Germany. So guys, keep watching. Watch me how I carry out the other process, and I will just be using only salt, you know, to salt it all over before drying it in the oven, because I'm going to be storing it for a longer time, so I need just only salt to dry it. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much. Please remember to like, comment and share this video so that others who are looking for a way out on issues like this will have the solution. Thank you once again. Keep watching.